how to create email account. So if you want to create email account, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Google or your Gmail, any option that you are comfortable with. Now you need to go with the profile, which is on the top right. So tap on that profile. After tapping on the profile, you need to scroll down, go with manage another, or add another account. Tap on add another account and select Google, and it will take you to this kind of interface. You need to enter your fingerprint or your password of your device to verify if it's you or not that's trying to create an email account. Now you need to go with create account, which is here on the left side, and you need to create a Google account, which is an email account. So you can select for your personal use or for your business. So you can go with any option. I'll choose personal use, and then you need to enter your first and last name. After entering your first and last name, you need to enter your basic information like your date of birth, your gender. You need to create your mail address, and after that create your password. And you may also enter your mobile number if you want to, and you will receive the verification code. After entering the verification code, your account will be created. So it's that easy to create an account. Just follow with the steps, proceed, and your account will be created. So from here, you'll be able to create your email account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.